Good moment, YouTube. Welcome to Undisputed Stream. If you are not familiar with this channel, we are all about cutting a cord, and this channel is for the beginners in the cord cutting community. So everything that we do here is nice, simple, easy, and it's just something to get your foot in the door when it comes to streaming and saving yourself a little bit of money. Today we are going to be talking about a movie and TV show app that I love to use, and it's called IPTV. Now, this setup works on any streaming device. Today I am on my Buzz TV stick, and if you would like to check out any product from Buzz TV, go to buzztvglobal.com. They got some really nice devices, and if you do decide to purchase one, use the promo code Undisputed to save yourself a little bit of change. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to go into our Filelinked, and if you do not know how to get Filelinked on your device, I will be linking videos down in the description of how to download Filelinked on your device. Alright, we're here on Filelinked. If you get a pop-up on the screen, just press dismiss, and here what you want to do, if your code line is blank, select it and enter the code 72386935. That will also be posted down in the description of this video. All right, now hit continue here, and here is Filelinked. You will get this pop-up, and you will go and select continue. All right, or dismiss, I'm sorry. And today we are talking free movie and TV show apps, and go down to the free movie and TV show apps section. And right here we are talking about IPTV. There's two versions. There's the ad-free and there's the official version. If you download the official version, go down to our tools section and download an ad blocker to block the ads that will pop up in that app. Today we were going to use the ad-free version. So what you do is just select the green download arrow on the right hand side. Just press the select the OK or select button on your remote. All right, and as you can see, this green progress bar will fill up, and once it fills up, the download arrow will turn into a play sign. Now just hit your OK button on the green play sign, like so. All right, now you should get a screen like this or similar to this, and what you want to do is go down to the bottom right and select install. Okay, installation is complete. Now what we want to do is click done or press back on your remote. And while we're in here, we're going to go down to our tools section, and we are going to download a player. It comes with a stock player already. However, if you are having issues with that player, you can always jump over to one of these. We have MX player or VLC. Today we're just going to use the MX player, so same thing. We're going to click the download arrow. See the progress bar filling up. All right, we're going to hit OK on the green play sign, and then we're going to go down to install. All right, we're going to select done, And we could do the same thing for the VLC player too, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to hit back on our remote. I'm going to select yes. All right, now what we want to do is go up and over to the right to the trash can on the top right part of the screen right there, and we want to select OK. All right, and from here, you want to push OK on your remote, and then from here select yes, because we no longer need the download file. Now what you want to do is press the home button on your remote or the back button. All right, now once you are back on your home screen, depending on the device that you have, you will see the BTV app. Now if you have a Fire Stick, press and hold the home button on your remote and then select apps, I believe it is, and go to the bottom of the page and you should see the BTV app. Or if you have an Android device, go over to your settings, or if you're running the Android TV operating system, go over settings and go to apps. See all apps, and you should see, all of your apps. So let me get out of here. All right, here is our BTV. We're going to select that. All right, now once you're in, we want to allow it permission. Okay, now the first thing we do is we go over to our little settings icon in the top left here, and we're going to select that. And as you can see, the B looks kind of funny, so what we can do is we'll back out, hit back again, select OK. All right, now we want to reopen the app. All right, now we're going to go back over to our little settings icon. We're going to open it up. There we go. Now, what we want to do is we want to go down to our settings. Open that up. Okay, now here is your settings, and you can change it to whatever to make your BTV your BTV. There are a few things that I do. The first thing that I do is we want to go down to the you can change your movie poster size. I normally keep mine on normal, but you can change it to small or large. All right, now the player. It comes with an internal player already. However, I use MX Player. All right. And they choose default continue playback option. You can either resume it or start over. I always click on always as. And the default play option, I like my movies to start automatically, so I'm going to select play. We're going to back out. Also, let me go back to settings. This app works great if you have Real-Debrid, if you pay for those services, or All-Debrid, Premiumize. These three services will give you great links. All right, so we are going to select this. Now for our TV shows, at the top you have the overview, the seasons, and a see also. All right, select seasons. Here are the seasons. And also on the top right, you can bookmark it or add it to your favorites, like so. As you can see, it is added to our watch list. And what we'll do is we'll just select a season, and then we'll select an episode. And your links will populate. We're going to give it a little more time to see if any more links populate. All right, well, we'll just try one. Okay, we want to allow MX Player. We're back out of there. Okay, want to hit back again. Want to hit back one more time. All right, now also on our TV show section, we have different categories. You can click this drop down box, and you know, we have discover, trending, popular, top rated, airing today. As you can see here, we just have different categories. Want to hit back, and then we're going to go to our settings option menu again, and this time we're going to go to movies, and it works the same way. We have our drop down box, and we have different genres and categories. All right, I'm going to hit the back button to get out of that, and we are just going to select this. All right, and you see you'll get a synopsis of the movie, and you could also go over to see also, and it'll give you some more titles. All right, and then once again we have you can mark this to your watch list. Now for this, you just go to play, select play, and we wait for it to populate. And here we go, got a couple links. Oh, there we go, we're really. All right, now what we're going to do here is just select any link that you want. Let me turn this down. I'm going to back out. Now, if you go over to your settings area again, press that. We're going to open that up, and we are going to go down to watch list. This is where everything saves to. All right, and there's a drop down box that says movies, and then select TV shows, and there you go. All right, so if you want to binge watch something on a weekend, this is the one of the good apps out there, in my opinion. save yourself a little bit of money by checking apps like BTV out. We hope you all are being safe out there and doing well. And thank you for joining us on Undisputed Stream.